Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 48. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can find a body within any transaction in the SAP system. And first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the transaction SE24, so the class builder, and here you have to enter the class CL_exit handler. Let's go into the display mode. And here is a method being called get_instance. Every time a body and a body implementation could be executed and checked, so it's getting the instance of a body. And here right now in line 14 we have to set a breakpoint, so either click on this set delete session breakpoint button or hit the Ctrl+Shift+F12 key combination, or here click on this yellow column, this yellow bar left next to line 14. And then the session breakpoint was set, and then you have to execute your transaction. So in this case I would like to open up the MM02 transaction for changing material. Then if there is a body available, then the ABAP debugger will start and will stop at the line 14 in the CL_exit handler class in the getInstance method. And in the changing parameter exit name, there we have our body name, and if we double click on exit name, and then here in the variable section, there we can see here as the value the body that is available. In my case, so for example, if we click on this continue or hitting the F8 key, then we will go to the next possible body available. So here then we will now reach the MM02 transaction. And in my case, I would like to get the body for checking the material after hitting the save button. So therefore I now click on select views. Once again, the debugger will start. So I continue. I just select basic data 1, and here I continue a couple of times once again, because there I don't want to add any implementation, but I would like to add an implementation if a user hits the save button or uses the key combination Control and S. And this is what I'm gonna do. Here now, once again, a body for the variant and hitting the F8 key or this continue button, and this is finally the body that I need for the material check. So after hitting the save button, so let's get out of this, and here let's delete this breakpoint, so I don't need this right now. So next what we need is we can open up the SE18 transaction. So within here, within the body builder, we can enter the body name, go to display, and within here you can make some analysis. So for example, if you can implement multiple body implementations, or if it's just a single usage available, and under interface within here you can see all the available methods. And we would like to basically add an implementation into the check data. And to create a body implementation, we have to go to the transaction SE19, and down here under create implementation, we select body, classic body. We enter our body name, then we click on create, and just for demo purposes, I would like to put in set up front, then click on continue. And for example, here test material check, this is fine. And then I click on the save button, and here you have to link it, or you can link it to a package. I am linking it to the $TMP package, so creating it as a local object. So this is perfectly fine. Then, because it's still an inactive and the implementation will currently not be called, we have to activate it, and therefore we click on this button. So now we have activated, and now the implementation will be called. And the interface, we double click on the method that we would like to implement. So in this case, check data. And here you can now enter your implementation, your logic in here that you would like to execute. And in my case, because I just would like to show you that this BAdI implementation is being called, I just set a breakpoint. And the next what I'm gonna do is I'm opening up this transaction once again, so MM02. Select view, so for example just basic data 1, and then I click on this save button, and now we can already see that the ABAP debugger is started within our custom BAdI implementation. And this is one way that you can implement the BAdI, can activate it and use it, and what is important, find the corresponding BAdI name. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 52 great videos left and available about tips and tricks in ABAP, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.